At G&H, we can provide you with a custom PC or laptop computer to fit your budget and your needs. Our in-store service department charges are about half of what you would pay at most of the larger retail centers. With a fast turnaround time of 2 to 3 business days on most repairs, we can keep your downtime to a minimum. We also offer priority service that will almost always get you fixed the same day. Whether you come to us or we come to you, our friendly professional technicians can assist you with all your computer repair needs. Serving Oklahoma since 1995, we have the experience to get the job done right. Come visit us or give us a call. We look forward to serving you.